Hey everybody, my name is Will, and today we're going to do a tutorial where I'm going to show you a great way to host a static website. This is kind of my go-to way to host a static website for sites big and small because it's really cheap, it's performant, and very scalable, so I never have to worry about being overloaded with traffic or anything. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using AWS, and we're going to combine 4 services, S3, CloudFront, Route 53, and Certificate Manager to get us this site up and running. So this is coldbrewbot.com. This is a little silly little Slack bot that I've been working on that is going to be its own tutorial on how to build a Slack bot. But for today, we're just worried about this site. It's just a simple landing page to market it and give the download button for Slack. Soon the button will be down there. But this is just a really simple site. It's HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's all static files, one page. And this is the kind of site that works really well for this. So if you have any PHP or server-side scripting, this won't work for you. But if you just have static files, HTML, CSS, images, downloads, that kind of thing where you're just serving up static files, this is a great way to go. So we're going to orchestrate these 4 services in an interesting way. First, we're going to use S3, or the Simple Storage Service. This is going to actually hold our website files. But we're not going to actually serve them up to the internet directly from S3. In front of S3, we're going to put a caching layer. So that's CloudFront. So what CloudFront's going to do for us is it's going to take those files that we're storing in S3, and it's going to cache them in edge locations all over the world. So these are data centers that are going to be closer to the people who are actually requesting the site. So if somebody visits coldbrewbot.com in London, they're not going to have to wait for these files to be delivered from Oregon. They're going to get a location that's much closer to them, and that'll cut down on the latency and make the speed and performance of the site much better. It'll also give us some other things for free, like gzipping the files on the fly for any clients that support it, and it'll let us use Certificate Manager, which is going to give us the SSL cert. So you notice here that we're on HTTPS, we are secure, we got the nice little green lock, and we also have it for the www subdomain, which just redirects back to the root domain. So that's what we're going to use Certificate Manager for. It's a way to get free SSL certs. The catch being that as of right now, you can only use those SSL certs on Elastic Load Balancers and CloudFront, but that is what we're using, so it's no problem. And then Route 53 is the DNS service that we're going to use to map coldbrewbot.com domain name to the CloudFront service so that everything works seamlessly under this nice, pretty domain name. So that is the overview of the project we're going to be working on here. It's going to be in a couple different parts. I hope you enjoy it and learn something. Let's get started building coldbrewbot.com.